Hi everyone, this is Sid here again and welcoming you all from the Cloud9. Now, this is not a view from my helmet visor and I'm not on a ride, but I'm flying over the mighty ocean, and what a view it is, right from 25,000 feet, and this is almost the same height as Mount Everest. Interestingly, Southeast Asia is emerging as the marketplace for the riding gears. Countries like Bangladesh, Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia are the places to hunt for riding gears, and this is especially important for motorcycle riders. So I thought of visiting the archipelago of Philippines to check that out. So Philippines consists of around 7,500 islands, out of which only 2,000 are inhabited. So let's check it out. I'm about to land now, and basically I'm coming from for a business trip here, but every rider is bitten by the travel and the riding accessory bug. So I thought of exploring the options here and coming for business but shop for riding. Hi everyone. So I'm recording this video from Manila, the capital city of Philippines. And though I came for some office work, but I thought of searching for some riding gears over here. Basically, my first attempt was to go to the KTM store here, because here you find the KTM riding gears, jackets, gloves, and riding pants, and as well as you get the complete variety of the KTM Powerparts. So the first hunt was the KTM store, which is very close to my hotel, and look what I got. This is the 790 Adventure from KTM, the lot of Drool factor, the tall windscreen, and by default in Philippines they do not provide the crash guards, but if you insist they will put it on. So this is the KTM 390 Adventure with the adjustable front suspension, and the rear monoshock is same as what we get in India with the preload and rebound adjustments. So basically KTM is selling three different varieties of riding pants here, and the price is quite costly, with something between 29k to somewhere around 50k. Yes, there are three varieties, couple of them for touring and just for general riding. One is completely waterproof, and the 50k one is, of course, it's completely waterproof and has a lot of leather linings. But the main problem is that they are giving a very hard SASTEC armor. Yeah, I'm never fond of SASTEC armors. I like D3Os and the Nucleon, which is supplied by ALPINESTARS, and of course there's one from Revit as well, which I'm just printing on the screen. So these armors are something which are very comfortable. The SASTEC and Nox are not that comfortable as compared to these. So definitely at 29k, definitely would not go for something which is a pant which is offering SASTEC. And on top of that, you have to buy the the hip armor separately. They are not selling the hip armor along with the pant. Even with the 50K one, you do not have the hip armor ready. And even these shops do not have the stock for the hip armors as well. So you do not know, like if you come back to India, you will never get a proper hip armor because KTM power parts are not in sale in India. KTM riding gears also, it's really difficult to find in India. None of the shops, at least in Bangalore or the other authorized showrooms, are selling it. So there are a lot of varieties for the KTM jackets as well. There are good jackets which are waterproof, and there is a really beautiful one from the Husky, which is the GORETEX one. So that's quite nice from Husky, is really that I'm going to show you now. Yep. After that, I am going to show you something which is kind of a drool factor for every biker. So suspense coming up after showing you what I found in the KTM showroom. The ALPINESTARS store in Manila was awesome. Riding jackets, pants, boots, gloves, helmets, jerseys, t-shirt, bags, and whatnot. You name it, and you have it from ALPINESTARS. Really, I really like the store, and you get a good bargain as well compared to Indian prices. The prices are quite cheap here, and there was a discount going on jackets and the riding boots. The reason for hosting this video is just to make the Indian riders aware that, yeah, if you're visiting any of the Southeast Asian countries, do make sure that you visit the riding stores there and pick up something really great and cheap. So that's the motive. Prices, as I said, are cheaper than the Indian market. And on top of that, if you get 20 to 30% discounts, so you can just imagine the end price would be really lucrative for Indian buyers. Time to reveal the surprise. Gore-Tex pants available in Alpine Star store at a discount, and the discounted price is 29,000 rupees INR, which is around 40,000 rupees in India. It's available out here at 29K. Unbelievable. The store was selling KYT, Suomi, and Alpine Stars helmets. Alpine Star helmets were priced more than 35K INR. I didn't check the price of the Suomi and KYT. I too have picked up something from the store, which I'll be showing in my next episode, where I will discuss more about riding gears and accessories that I've purchased recently, and also about the basic accessories and modifications done on my KTM 390 adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.